Sealy traffic, Archer 600, Hotel Juliet, turning left base for runway 35, Sealy.
I'm decreasing the RPMs, sort of changing the gear, you know? And leaning the mixture a little bit.
Okay.
Sealy traffic, Archer 600, Hotel Juliet, turning final for runway 35, Sealy.
Yeah,
light flight.
Yep.
Well, it's pretty nice that almost everybody has ADS-B now. The ones that don't are sort of breaking the rules.
Yeah.
Zelienople traffic, Warrior 41548, entering 45, left downwind 35, Zelienople.
Alright, so what we'll do is we'll set up for a chandelle, Rome. And we'll slow down the maneuvering speed. This is VA. This airplane's about 128 miles per hour. Okay, we'll start it going north. So chandelle is a...
85 Delta, turning base for 35, Zelienople.
Climbing turn to the opposite direction.
Yeah, maximum performance turn, 180 degree turn, okay?
Okay.
So the way you do it is you enter a 30 degree bank and then pull up to about 18 degrees pitch at the same time putting in full power, okay?
Okay.
And full power for me is the top of the green and 2400 RPM.
85 Delta, base to final 135, Zelienople, full stop.
Oh, 2450, that's my climb RPM, okay?
Yeah.
Mixture full rich. Steering turns are done, ADS-B is in, and we're starting off at 3,000 feet. We'll do the first to the left.
Yeah.
And we are maneuvering. Speed clear left. Okay. Put in the bank first.
Yep.
Once you get to 30 degrees, start full power. In this case, we top of the green. And you get to the 90 degree mark, and you slowly start to take the bank out. And you're supposed to be just above stall, wherever you get up here. Okay, we can roll out on south, basically. And then roll out, or level out, and do not descend. That's a chandelle, or yeah, a chandelle to the left, okay?
Nice.
Whew.
Zelienople traffic, Warrior 41548, left base 35, Zelienople.
Lower down to maneuvering speed, or accelerate to maneuvering speed. This one we'll do to the left again, because I don't want to look into the sun again.
Okay. How much altitude are you trying to gain?
You're not trying to gain any now.
Okay.
Zelienople traffic.
Now, it's also supposed to be,
maneuver.
yeah, I'm supposed to be looking outside too if I do this, not inside. All right, here comes 30 degrees. Coordinated turn. And pull it back. So about a 20 degree, a little under 20 degrees. There's the 45 or the 90. Don't let the nose drop. And roll out north. I went a little too far that time. That's a chandelle. Cool. Everything's good.
Zelienople traffic, Warrior 41548.
Hey, we're going to do one to the right.
Yeah.
Close traffic, Zelienople.
Okay, we're at maneuvering speed. Clear right.
Zelienople traffic, Skyhawk 104, taxi pumps, Condor, Zeli.
At 6 miles away. Okay. All right, 30-degree bank to the right. Yep, you don't have to rush these things. Once you get to 30, you start pulling it back. Full power.
Downwind for 35, Zelienople.
Okay. 18, 19. There's about 90 degree. At the 90 degree, you start taking out the bank, keeping the pitch, and just keep taking that bank out. Slowly. So you're heading south. All right.
Zelienople traffic, Warrior 41548, turning left crosswind 35, Zelienople.
Have fun?
Yeah.
Zelienople traffic, Warrior 41548, left downwind.
All right, so let's do steep turns, okay?
Okay.
Zelienople traffic, Stat 3 is a helicopter. We're 2 miles to the south of the airport, 2,600 transitioning north.
Okay, and the manifold pressure is 2450. Bring that back to about 2350. Steep turns, we'll do it at 55. Okay, we'll go to the right because right there. Well, yeah, we'll go to the right. Okay, this is a 45-degree turn run, Romy.
Okay.
30, that's 45. No, halfway between is 45.
Yeah.
That's 60 right there.
Yeah.
Okay, can't lose more than 100 or gain more than 100. Okay, that diamond right there is the 45.
Turning base for 35.
Okay.
Okay, and I have to look out.
Uh-huh.
Okay, don't want to gain altitude. There's 100 almost. Okay, so I take out, keeping the pitch in.
Now you're losing